quick video on truck bed organization. Getting ready for this big 10-day trip. And I realized that the truck bed needed some organization to be able to fit the new generator. Need to do still video on it, the Champion. That's going to sit right here. Got a cover for it, but as you can see, the first part was putting that spare on with the cable lock. Then I have the open egg crate, and then I've got to have a cooler on the road, you know, waters, whatever. I think the electrical is going to ride right here. It's got an extension on it now. That's the RV electrical. And I'm going to do one more cable line right across here. I'll push that up. Another cable line right across here with generator secured down. And I'm not quite sure what's going to go on this side yet. I'll probably run the cable through that electrical cord, 50 amp, just for good measure. And possibly something else. Haven't figured that out yet, but see how much room the generator takes. And there may be some more things that need to go back here once it's all said and done, but it's kind of the main things. Finding it handy already just outside the trip is I got the gas there, and I'm going to put it propane in here too, just to keep it steady, because the generator will run on both. So I don't know, I watched a few videos, quite a few actually. Some people are using shower curtains. I mean, and there's some, oh man, there's some real configurations you can spend some big money on, but didn't want to do all that. Those cables right there are actually from Walmart. Again, Walmart home delivery. I think they're 20 bucks each, so they're not cheapest, but they're long enough to get the job done. See, I got them connected up there on the brakes locks. Got them there also. So to start, guys, I'll do another video later on just what it looks like when it's done. So coming along. There's not a ton of options. I might be able to utilize those side tie down deals here somehow, but I've mainly been using these big ones. And back there you can see those. I've already, well, it's a little dark back there, but there's another one of these back there. That's where I ran everything through, so it worked out pretty slick. The only thing I'm a little worried about is that spare tire. It's not in there the best, so I might wrap a strap around it depending on what ends up in front of it. But some fancy configurations for that stuff too. But bottom line, as long as it stays in here and it's secure, that's the main thing. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I won't be using those. Those are the wrong size. That's the problem with ordering stuff online. So anyhow, talk to you guys soon. I'll do another video when it's done. This was the final part of the organization video. The generator's on back here. Got it in there. It's 2-man lift for sure. For me anyways. Got the propane nearby in case we need it to run the generator. Cable securing it, as you can see here. In between, I went with another crate back here, which seemed to work out pretty good. I got extra oil for the generator. The other crate I have extra oil and antifreeze. Sorry, it's early. Brain's still waking up. And then the Blue Def back there to the left. Extra engine oil. Drinks, you can see. Those aren't in there all the best. They kind of got thrown in last minute. But basically 2 lines with straps and cables. Kind of holding the important stuff in. Securing the important stuff. So that's pretty much what I came up with without having to spend a ton of money on add-ons. I know there's a lot of different solutions out there, but I don't know. There's $20 cables and locks. Locks are, I think, $7, roughly, maybe $5 from Walmart. Kind of shied away from the last minute stuff last minute stuff from Amazon is not available, so Walmart came through at the end on some of this stuff, and Amazon was able to get some of it in. Got a free Prime thing I was using, so that worked pretty good. We have one anyways, but this is kind of up and above that. So yeah, that's a dog bed, just in case you're wondering, on the left there. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my truck bed organization. Leave a comment below. I'm sure there's other ideas, better ideas. Oh, I used that old, not really an old cooler, but a larger cooler, just to hold, they're not cold, but just like more of a holding bin. Honestly, hard to find a tote with a good hard lid. So that's what I came up with. And the little one up there is obviously for our cool drinks going down the road. I'm gonna grab some ice here in a minute. So anyhow, guys, that's pretty much it. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time.